Once you have your vehicle raised and supported on your jack stands, you're now going to go ahead and use a jack, block of wood. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of pressure to the transmission itself here, just to hold that. I'm not going to raise the vehicle, just support it. Using a 15mm deep socket, we're going to go ahead and remove these two bolts. Using your 15mm deep socket or regular socket, you go ahead and remove the horizontal bolt here. Be careful when you start to loosen this. Watch for the motor shifting. If you need to raise or lower your jack underneath the transmission, you can go ahead and do so. Go ahead and feed the mount back up. Drop it in from the top here. Now we did clean the threads and put some anti-seize on those threads. Gonna feed that through. Go ahead and get that bolt started. Now we did clean and put some anti-seize on these bolts as well. Just gonna go ahead and get these started by hand. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down. I'll go ahead and tighten this bolt down. I'm going to go ahead and torque the roll restrictor or mount bolt to 85 foot-pounds. These two bolts don't have a torque spec. You just want to go ahead and tighten those down pretty tight.